Sometimes love doesn't shout, it waits silently, even through the coldest night. But what happens when doubt tests the heart, and one last sunrise decides everything? Two birds lived in a tall, ancient tree in a quiet corner of the forest. They'd been together for years. The male bird loved the female with a devotion so fierce he often forgot himself, pouring everything into her happiness. He brought her the sweetest grains, sang the most enchanting songs, and made sure she never felt alone. But the female bird had begun to doubt him. She wasn't cruel, just uncertain. He's so kind. But what if his heart belongs elsewhere? As days passed, whispers of suspicion crept into their lives. "I don't think you love me like you used to," she said one morning. He looked at her with tired eyes. "Why would I stay by your side every day if I didn't?" Winter arrived, harsh and silent, and with it came the breaking point. "I want to know the truth," she said, her voice sharp as ice. "Tomorrow before sunrise, we'll meet under this tree. Whoever arrives first truly loves the other more." He paused, then smiled gently. "If that's what will make you believe me, I'll agree." As night fell, she returned to her nest, determined to rise with the dawn. But he stayed, shivering beneath the frozen branches, eyes fixed on the horizon. What if I sleep? What if she comes and thinks I don't care? No, I'll stay here all night. She must know my heart. The wind shrieked through the trees. Frost clung to his feathers, biting into his tiny body. But still, he remained, curling up to preserve warmth, eyes brimming with resolve. All night he thought of her. She'll see me here in the morning. She'll know how much I love her. Meanwhile, she tossed and turned in her nest. Her heart raced as she checked the stars, whispering to herself, "I must go early. He'll see me and understand how much I love him too." As the first pale blue light touched the forest, she soared to the tree, wings beating fast, her heart pounding. She scanned the branches. He wasn't there. Her wings faltered. He didn't come, she thought, panic rising. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe he doesn't love me. But something tugged at her. Minutes stretched. Then, near the base of the tree, half hidden under snow, she saw a small, still shape. Her heart stopped. She dropped down and landed beside him. His tiny body was curled, feathers stiff, wings frozen. His eyes closed forever. "No, please, no," she cried, wrapping her wings around him, tears soaking the snow. He was gone. Then she noticed something. A tiny flower petal lay beside him, the same one he had given her last spring. And next to it, a single feather, perfectly tucked against the petal. It wasn't a message in words, but it said everything. "I stayed. I waited. I loved you enough to endure the night, so you would never doubt me again." She sobbed, holding him close. "You stayed, just to prove your love. And I tested it. I should have known." Her voice echoed in the cold air, carrying grief and regret. True love doesn't always roar. Sometimes it whispers in presence, in sacrifice, in silent endurance. We search for proofs, for grand gestures, forgetting that love is shown not in declarations, but in the quiet constancy that never falters. A heart that loves deeply may never explain itself. It just remains, giving, enduring, staying. But if we doubt too long, if we test too harshly, sometimes we only realize its depth once it's too late. Trust before you question. Hold before you push away, because love, when silent, is still re-land, when lost, may never return.